Where do I start besides getting my mind blown?
A to Z, step by step. You showed us everything that we need to do. Now all we have to do is just implement it. I love it. It makes it simple.
So the two things that I take away is automation and consistency. The automation is taken care of by the Dominator, and consistency.
That was my stumbling block, and now with this workshop it provided a lot of clarity, so now I'm ready to go.
I knew I have to get to the next level, and the Dominator will get me there.
I really like the part about creating an effective listing, putting it in the Dominator.
A cookie cutter 1, 2, 3. It's an excellent program.
Take action and make offer. That's the key.
I was so excited. The Investment Dominator is going to help us not have to spend 10, 12 hours a day trying to organize our business. And all the features in the Investment Dominator, in these couple of days have shown us, how we can really streamline things and chunk our time so that we can actually have time to enjoy and do some vacationing.
How you can customize pretty much every aspect of the business throughout all the steps of buying, selling, and not only, it doesn't just stop there, it just goes on with the marketing, tracking the leads, and just growing and expanding for the future.
The Investment Dominator and how efficient we can get with it, and how much time we can save with doing what we do, and that's why we're in this in the first place, is to create our own time and manage our own time. So I really feel like it's just going to help out overall life in general.
Researching the property and doing the property analysis and determining the value of the properties, and also being able to systemically find the properties in Google Maps. And it was just, it just has made this whole process come together for me in terms of how we're going to put our offers together. It's very exciting.
I just want to take this minute to thank you guys for all your helping us get this thing going. So, thanks.
Worth every penny.